Hey guys, so where are we at with the film scanner? All the printing is done pretty much. Actually, yeah, I think it's actually all done. Waiting on a couple of different parts. One of them is a very smooth steel rod that goes here. The film does run across these rods. This is the only place where any kind of movement to non-movement contact is made, so the wear is negligible there. Otherwise, everything is all assembled. And the other part I'm waiting on is a lens adapter for this. There is a lens that goes in here. It requires a small adapter. Electronics, 90% done. Down here you can see these are the tension lights here. I'm just sort of putting these light detectors together. See on the left there, when I cover that light up, that tells it that there's something in the way. The other one I'm having trouble with getting it to work. It's not showing up properly. The one in the middle is the sprocket hole detector. It'd be hard for me to do this with one hand, but if I move this across, is it going to do it? It's fairly sensitive, but yeah, it might not do it. Where are we? No, that might be a two-handed one. Anyway, it flashes to 0 when it detects the sprocket hole. That's how it counts where its position is. 35mm film, you move across one. Oh, there we go. Detecting sprocket holes there. The motors are all done. So the feed focus table there, the take up, and the main drive. That thin one's actually driving that wheel there. It's a bit hard to see. So yeah, just going to work out this solar cell issue. I think it might be an issue with soldering on the board. Everything else seems okay. So yeah, once I find that, it'll be pretty much a matter of gluing it all down onto a board. And yeah, when those additional parts arrive, it'll be good to go. Cool. Thanks a lot.